What's up, guys? We're out here in Flin Flon. We just woke up. We're just getting ready to head out to the skate park. We're gonna do some skating at the Flin Flon Park and then head out to Thompson from there. I'm gonna set up my new deck today, so we're gonna do a little setup video. Just gonna get on with the setup video. I need to get rid of this deck. It's got a crack in it. I got tensor trucks combined with thunders. Considering I already snapped my axle off, so let's get it started by taking this one apart.
So Ryan, what you doing right now?
Oh, just taking apart my old deck. Just gonna throw together my new skate metal board that I picked up from Funky Threadz. Mad props for hooking it up, Jerome. All right, we got one truck off. We got Myron up here setting up his deck too. All right, we got the trucks off. And a skate metal stick or stencil here. We got this sick Zero mob dip. Skeleton smoking a doobie. Get any better than that. Slap the grip on the new board. She's on there. The beast is Alright, grip tips on, and one thing I always do, so I don't destroy the shit out of my shoes. Okay, we just got the grip on. Just gonna slap the trucks on and go skate it. This sucks.
Possession of swag.
Yeah, possession of swag. Load of shit, guys.
Load of shit.
Load of shit. Load of shit. Hey guys, we're out here in Thompson at the skate park, just getting ready for the skate competition. Gonna take you on a little tour, so let's go check out the park.